Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with vintage ephemera haul that I got from Etsy. Super excited to share it with you guys. As you know, I'm a junk journal maker. I like making journals. And when it comes to vintage paper ephemera, they make wonderful pieces that you can upcycle and use as embellishments and as actual pages in your journal. So I love these. Now, the reason I bought it, as much as you get stationary ephemera kits from Amazon, Temu, and the like, where they have kits like these. They are stickers, and basically some of the receipts have been scanned and miniaturized. I think these are fun tools to have as well, and they're just as accessible as these. Like, you can find these kits also on eBay, and also some of my friends from the Makers Market, you may find some bundles with paper ephemera and booklets. So I'll give you a $5 referral code down in the description box if you'd like to check it out and support some of our really sweet crafty friends. Now, let me go ahead and show you what the seller has included. We'll do this last, but first, here we have a bundle of just a great variety of book pages. Now, for some reason, I've had this in my stash for a while, and I was doing some cleanup, finally was able to take it out, and I can't seem to find who the seller was because it was taken out of the package, so I apologize that I can't tell you where it's from. But here are some examples of ephemera that you can definitely use for collaging, and then some vintage images that you can scan or put in your digital kits if you are making one. There is a disclaimer. I think you can only do that for ephemera that is below 1923. But I love this. I fell in love with the fact that she also had birds in here, and I'm a big fan. So just a good mix of book pages. You can see the aging on some of these, and I love this because when I do my collaging, I like to create different shades and contrasts using some of these pages. So I'm just going to quickly show you what's in this kit. Let's see what else is behind here. Oh, I see a cute little book page from a kid's book. And then here's one, it looks like from a calendar. I also love the fact that we have some old little ads, and this is from Maytag. And here is the date at the bottom, so you can have a look at that. Really cool. And then let's see, we have encyclopedia type pages, more of our little ads here. So really fun. Oh wow, this one looks like a history book. Now the medium-sized bundle again has a wonderful set of paper, and I love these paper clips that she's added. Now other books are math books, are always fun, and it looks like this has something to do with some, let's see, looks really technical. I'm trying to find where the source is, but I'm going to put this. So the goal is to be able to use this kit and just include everything in it as much as possible. Look at that image. But I'm excited to revisit this kit that I have that's been sitting in my cabinet. So we have some flowers. I may be also sorting them. But these are amazing images. Look at that. This itself can be part of a signature already. And then we have these. I can see myself cutting this apart and possibly putting some of these images on a time card, altering a time card, or using this as well as a page. Here's a 1957 page of some flowers. Super cool. Love seeing these vintage ads. And then check this out. This is amazing. So definitely perfect for botanical theme for that one. Another book page. Oh, how cool is that? Lovebirds. Oh my gosh, this kit was made for me, and I love dragonflies as well. We have the rooster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's also included some ledgers. And here is the date when this ledger was written out. That's really awesome. Wow, look at this. Another beautiful ad for some soap. Really cool. That's the back side. And then we have some pages, little map of Michigan. Oh my gosh. That's fun. It looked like Kara, but it's Caro or something. That's really neat. And then we have our last batch underneath there with some fun book pages, black and white. And there are wonderful texts that I'll have to look through. Oh my goodness, I love this. Beautiful. This would be, again, wonderful to add to kind of a Gilded Age, Edwardian type journal. Then we have this one. My gosh, check this out. Month of, and look at the year, 1800s. Is that for real? That's incredible. Look at the topography too on this sheet. I'm really gonna have to sort these carefully. More of our gardening pages. So it looks like we have a lot of floral pieces here, and the birds go well with that. And here's one. It has a note. These are the larger pages. She did a wonderful job. And we're not even done. We haven't seen this extra little pocket here. So let's see what we have. So it's a letter. I'm trying to see if there is a date, but that's always fun. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. I've always wanted to also make a fashion themed journal, and I can see myself folding this in half and including it in a tall journal. This is amazing. Look at that. I love this kit. I am so happy to rediscover this. 1854 fashion over there. Check out that pose. And then here's some on the back side. Then we have a trivia question. This is theater arts, it looks like. That is really cool. Chariots of Fire. Really fun music sheet. And then more of our ads. These are fun to cut apart and use for collaging. Look at this. Now, wouldn't that look good on a tall journal? Wow. Amazing. Let me just flip it over. Sorry. Isle of Capri. This is a foxtrot. Wow. Music sheet. And let's see if the year 1935, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Love it. Oh my gosh, how cool. A turtle dove somewhere here on the shore. Wow. Blakeney Point, Norfolk. That is just amazing. And the last packet we have, she made a cute little pocket for some of these amazing little ephemera pieces. Here's one for a Natalie Cole song, When I Fall in Love, which happens to be one of my favorite songs. And then this was in the 80s, I think. And then this one as well. And then look at this small card. It looks like a tea card. And this is used to, it's like little ads and they give it for free. Now let's see what she's included here. And here's another ledger that I can use. We have a picture here. Let me just take it out of the plastic. Here is a photograph of this gentleman. Oh my gosh, can you imagine how old this is. I'm gonna have to zoom in there sometime to see what that is. Here's another adorable photograph. Wow. We have airmail. That's pretty cool. Doesn't say what year. Oh, 1971, it looks like right there. And then we have a letter for Richard, 1966. So I'll have to look at that. And then there's the stamp. What is this? Employee statement. And then let's see, amount of the check, $41.52. That's really cool. Ephemera. And then here is another cutout and ad. These would look, and the fact that it's folded might also be wonderful to create a little page like an accordion style, and you can just fit it in and pull it out and then add some paper that you can write. Check it out, Mardi Gras at New Orleans and see your way to California. Interesting. But how fun is this? This is really, really cool. Wow, I love that flapper image there. And then we have a letter, and there is the postmark date, Hartford National Bank. And looks like a cutout from a magazine, Santa Monica, California. What is this? Oh, I love the colors. Cold that keeps. Kelvinator. How fun is this? A refrigeration ad. Trying to look for the year. But this is amazing. Amazing ephemera. And there it is. Sometime in June 1927. Very cool. Love it. So we have that, and then here is a little snippet or image. Very, very cool. They were there, Christine and David. Oh man, it's too bad. I wish there was, again, a year so we know, but you can tell by what they're wearing. That might have been sometime in the 1920s. And then there's a fun little math flashcard. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vintage ephemera paper kit, perfect for junk journals. Stay tuned soon. I am in the works. Now that I see this, I'm going to collate them and bundle them up in different themes and hoping to share a new junk journal with you guys soon. See you next time. Bye.